Hey, it's Jason. Welcome to WordPress Foundations. This is Module 1, an Introduction to WordPress, the making of a great blog. So what is a blog? And what do I mean when I say blog? Well, what I'm talking about here specifically is a constantly updated website. It's a website where the information that you provide is new, it's fresh, and it's ongoing. That's what I think about when a blog. It's like a conversation with a community. I'm not talking about blogging about your cat or blogging about what color shoes you're getting ready to buy. I mean, you say that stuff for Facebook and Twitter, right? You don't need to put that on your blog. So now that we have Facebook and we have Twitter, there's not really much need to blog about your cat or about your cold, okay? So what I mean by blog is I'm specifically talking about making money with your blog. Now, I'm not talking about a make money blog where you have like AdSense sites or, you got like 10 billion banners and pop-ups and popovers or anything crazy like that. I'm talking about adding actual value to the community and becoming a respected authority in whatever niche or marketplace you're into. Which, by the way, that's what the word niche means. You're also going to learn several of the technical terms that bloggers or marketers or whatever use when you're going through this course. So whenever you're through with this module, you're going to be able to decipher some of the stuff people talk about all the time. So let me go ahead and talk about what the various kinds of blogs are. First up's the personal blog. This is like what your cat ate for dinner, or the new cat litter box you got, or talk about how your kid just won the ball game. This is what a personal blog's about. It's not really focused on anything in particular. It's just random stuff about what's going on in your life. But now, since we got Facebook and Twitter, we don't really need to create these kind of personal blogs unless they're just for ourselves. And even still, we have Facebook and Twitter. I remember back last year or so, a couple years ago, Kevin Rose, who's this amazing technological person, he actually got a cold, and he created a Twitter page for his cold called Kevin Rose's Cold or something. It might even still be online. I thought that was kind of fun. And that's basically what it is. If you're using a personal blog, it's just something, something like that. It's not really something you're going to be able to make money with. So let's go ahead and talk about the next site. The next kind of site would be a business blog. Now, what I mean by business blog is, everybody knows that if you use a WordPress blog, Google loves you, and they're going to give you a lot more juice than if it was just a static website. So a lot of people put up their websites using WordPress, and they just still make it like a static site. Okay, so you go visit the website, and it's like, hey, welcome to my site. Here's a bunch of stuff that I can do for you. Please give me your money. Thank you. And that's it. There's not really any dialogue, no ongoing communication. You don't even know if these people are still around, right? That's not cool. Plus, if there's no way to interact and you're not constantly popping out new content, nobody even knows if you're alive or you're real. So you can't really establish relationship with the community. So what we want to do is create something that I like to call the info blog. Now, what an info blog is the point is you create your site, it's fresh content, and you're giving away valuable information. You're not just blogging about what your cat ate or what you had for supper. Again, that's for Twitter. So what you want to do here is you want to help people, and you want to help people by giving away valuable information, stuff that can actually help people. So we target the information that people want to learn, and we teach them in a way that's impactful and that actually helps and provides value, and also in a way that can make us money. Now, again, I'm not talking about making like spammy AdSense sites or sites with pop-ups or pop-unders or any other unscrupulous things like that. We're talking about adding real value. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer, this is perfect. This is exactly what you want to do. See, an affiliate marketer is somebody who promotes other people's products in exchange for a commission. They'll be like, hey, I just checked out this course, and here's what it taught me how to do. Here's why I like it. Here's what I don't like about it. And here's my recommendation. So if you like it, click the link, and I'll talk to you soon. That's basically affiliate marketing, or maybe if you do some CPA or you do some reviews or stuff like that. I've had several sites up on the net. Like I used to do a lot of reviews for Amazon. And I still do. I'm still like one of the top, 500, top 1,000, something like that. And basically what it is you just write reviews and you get a little bit of money if it's through like an affiliate or a commission website. I used to have this big TV website where I wrote down reviews and then I would get some money through the commissions. But since that's no longer allowed through Amazon, they no longer allow people from North Carolina to do take part of their Amazon Associates program, so I can no longer do that, so I moved on to other things. But one of the things that's still really, really valuable is to create review sites for certain products. Now, if you just be like some of these spammy people and they just create like this little WordPress blog that's got like 3 reviews, there's like a $500 product, a $200 product, and a $50 product, and you're like, we really like the $500 one, that's not really adding that much value. I mean, people can't really relate to you because that's all it is. So what we want to do here is establish trust, credibility, and build our authority. So what we do is we create these sites around these different niche areas, and we continue to update and post and provide valuable content and connect with our readers. It's really, really great. Also, if you check out enlightenedwebmastery.com, which is one of my sites, basically that entire site is just how-to information. It's like me teaching you some cool trick, tip, technique, something you can go out and use right now. That's like an information site. Kind of like maybe if you went to ehow.com or something where they just teach you tutorials like how to do this and how to do that. That's kind of what an info blog is too. So far in Module 1, what we've talked about are the various kinds of blogs. We talked about the personal blog, which is where you're blogging about your cat or what you had for dinner, or what your family's up to. The business blog, where it's like, hey, here's my cool product, you need to buy it. And then we talked about the informational blog, which is where you're actually giving away value and helping people. Now, throughout the rest of this course and my other courses like Blogging Mindset, which is a really great course, what we're going to be talking about is building on this idea of the information blog. The whole point is to establish yourself as the expert or the authority in whatever niche that you decide to enter. And again, niche means marketplace. So what we want to do is build a site around this certain niche and basically dominate it. That's really the whole goal. That's not the goal of this course. This course is to teach you how to use WordPress. This is just some foundational information that you can go ahead and take and do whatever you want to with. You can totally dismiss this entire thing if you want to make your site about your cat. But if you want to make some money, this is going to be some stuff you might want to learn about. But so what we're going to do is in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and talk about some of these terms, like what a post is, a category, and stuff like that, just so you can speak the language so it no longer sounds like clean on whenever you're talking to somebody. This is also going to help you if you need to hire somebody to do this stuff for you. So maybe you have a little small business and you want to hire like some college kid to go ahead and write your blog post for you so you don't have to deal with it. This is the kind of stuff that you can tell them, like, hey, I like that post, or here's some category that you need to use, and you just, you'll be able to communicate with them on some level. So I'll see you in the next video.